Hey guys, I'm vlogging from Dairy Queen. Sitting here with my husband. Say hi.
I didn't want to say hi.
He know he wanted to say hi. This is my no makeup look, but I did a tutorial on Instagram last night doing my eyebrows, the tinting. So, no makeup. I look dry. My lips is dry. I'm still cute. Oh, and I got on the Keisha Kaur waist belt and my bodysuit, my sauna suit. So, wait, hold on. Let's see if this is better. Oh, and I made this wig. Check out the part. It's kind of cute. It's not glued down or nothing. I think I'm gonna try that Ghost Bond just to see how long. My husband said I'm gonna be petting like this, like all week, because they say it lasts for like 2 to 3 weeks. I guess it all depends on how much you put.
You don't have no edges.
He said I ain't gonna have no edges. He's stupid. But yeah, I'm waiting for my food, so.
Brick City.
He got jokes, but look, I'm in Dairy Queen. So I'm basically going to be doing a review. Look at my food. And this is sweet tea. I'm trying to, can you see? This is sweet tea. I'm basically trying to stop drinking all of the nastiness, the soda and stuff. So
Should that lemonade?
the lemonade looked like it was probably good, but I like sweet tea. Every time I go into a restaurant, I have sweet tea. So
Sweet tea worse than soda. You didn't know that, did you?
well, sometimes it's not sweet.
Oh, dude.
When I went into Burger King the other day, the sweet tea was kind of whack. So let's give it a taste.
Yeah, I was probably fine.
It's kind of sweet.
Yeah, apple pie pie.
Oh yeah, I heard it was good.
How you heard? Then you ate one too.
I sure did.
Well, what you talking about? I heard.
So he brought extra napkins like they didn't already have none at the
How I
table.
supposed to know?
He's talking a whole bunch of junk today.
So what? I'm just doing like you do
I don't see
every
what
day.
the point is to have toast when with the eggs or whatever. Ain't this supposed to be like breakfast?
No.
But
I give you toast with chicken.
let's taste the French fries. They don't feel real hot.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm doing a review. Tastes good.
You don't get no credit for it.
Well, what?
The review.
Hopefully, eventually. I'm still new to YouTube.
I'm talking about from Dairy Queen.
I don't know. Just gotta wait and see. Oh, and I'm getting ice cream.
Yeah. That's all she wants.
The ice cream be bomb. I mean, since I got the toast, might as well taste it. Want to taste?
I don't want no goddamn. I'm eating bread. They gave you that. Go with chicken.
I hope it didn't fall on the floor.
Taste the chicken to see how it tastes.
I heard
Oh,
when you go to Popeyes, you go in their kitchen, it's always secure because all of the baskets, I heard, they be on the floor.
You do.
Food fall on the floor, they pick it back up, throw it back in the fryer. I'm saying, I heard.
I ain't eating nothing. No.
I saw something on YouTube
Where they cook the rat.
cooking rats and all of that. There's some nasty
Nigga,
niggas.
oh, but he chicken about he had a rat head. Look like a drumstick.
All right, guys, let's taste this chicken.
Nigga had a rat head looking like a drumstick.
This is hot.
You got what out there? Yeah, what KK said last time.
And it's soft.
Now, that's what I was trying to see if it was soft or hard.
Stop being nasty.
Nigga, that's you.
My husband don't want to give me no twins.
Or here we go with the bullshit.
I want twins.
I ain't there.
Thank God I paid for a drink. Oh, this is a $5 basket, so they offered me ice cream too, so I'm happy. Eat the pickle.
Mm-mm.
Eat the pickle, Ike. Eat the pickle, Ike
I'm
Turner.
not eating that. It don't taste right. If it had been the one with the crinkles in it, no.
Oh, those are the elastic pickles.
Look at that thing.
Oh. A nice little buggy. A convertible buggy.
Yeah, this shit here like a snack.
It's actually so cold in here. Can't even eat all of the french fries in time because they'll be cold.
Man, it feels good in here, man. You turn that on in hot.
My husband like being cold. You gonna turn on air conditioner to run up my light bill?
No.
You gonna run up my light bill?
Right there, bitch.
I might use the bread to tone down some of this hotness. This sucker here is hot. Got my trachea burning. Dairy Queen grill and chill. I see what the chill part is. It's cold in here. It's 70 degrees outside, so
Out there on the truck.
I saw a movie where they robbed the
Yeah.
that truck,
It's called Armor. It was the niggas that was working
and then
there.
they blew the truck up.
It was the niggas that was working there. I seen it with your boy that working there. I mean, that play on that. The one that play on Stomp the Yard.
You want one? You want one?
God damn, how many you got?
I got 6.
That nigga gave me a little one in there.
Well, that shouldn't count as number 6.
That shouldn't count as nothing. That ain't kind of spicy. Damn, that bit hot.
It ain't kinda. It's hot.
Goddamn daughter ate up all my shit yesterday.
You should know better not to get from no spicy stuff.
Then she turned right around. Then Steven turned around and ate the rest of it.
This is good. It's just hot.
Yeah, that's just right.
Yeah, it's not dry. It's
Nah,
kind
that
of
shit
juicy.
good. Them niggas right there can shoot you.
Yeah, them army people, they got guns.
And they can shoot your ass. You try any damn thing, they can shoot your ass.
Armed security.
And get away.
What the hell is Gateway? You guys can follow me on Instagram at Adele Berryhill.
For what?
That's ADELLEBERRYHILL. And you can see the latest videos. Well, I went live last night doing my eyebrow tinting tutorial. So you can watch the whole live while I was being goofy.
It wasn't big.
My sister had me doing stupidness, like pretending I was doing a CoverGirl commercial, flipping my hair and my husband got jokes. This should have been barbecue sauce. It's ranch. I thought it was the, what do you call that one? Sour, what do you call that other one? The green one? The sauce that you and Kanaya and them get from McDonald's.
Oh, sweet and sour?
That sweet and sour sauce look like snot. It's some hot stuff.
I mean, right there, don't even have to get out.
Oh, one guy waits and the other guy goes in.
The driver don't have to get out. Unless it's some shit where they gotta push it. He walking like he didn't even work. Yeah, that be almost. And that be bulletproof.
How you know?
Cause I know.
Now all we gotta do is when we get in the house, put something for Steven aside.
Nah, you put it.
Cause I'm eating all of this. Whatever I don't eat, I know your fat butt will. I need to do an unboxing later on today because I just got my front 2 and 3 bundles last night, so I didn't do a review on it already, but I did take it out the box.
Oh, I thought you were telling me.
Okay. Okay, so
I'm about to say, I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
okay, so
Want another one? I know you're not full. That tiny burger. We
I
not
gave me a
full.
goddamn.
Okay, so what are you putting towards your,
They gave me a kid meal.
what are you putting towards your rice?
Still got ice cream to eat.
Yeah. So I'm gonna give you that one so I can eat my ice cream.
I mean, my ice cream regardless. I don't give a fuck.
Cousin.
I ain't down.
That's it.
Time is it?
Boy. I don't know. Come on, let me look.
You gotta get to beat up for you little fat boy.
Not even 2 o'clock.
I bet you it is.
I don't check the phone.
Oh, man, ain't gonna be right.
Look, I gotta go.
You want this one?
I wanna see, I want
Take it.
I don't want it.
Me neither.
$200 is acceptable. $200
It's like
is
$234.
acceptable today, but I want the rest of
So it's not even $230 yet.
by the end of this week, the end of this week. The rest of it.
We're right around the corner from home.
So, get that done. You get that done. David? Fine. Do
said
something
Davis?
about it. Because that's it.
She said David.
I'm like, did this heifer just say my name?
Today's the 13th. Wait a second. Okay, so do the 200 today and, wait a minute, let me look at my calendar.
Ooh.
By Tuesday is the 17th. I want the full payment.
It's sucker hot.
By the 17th.
Yeah, that shit good.
And you tell
But
me
we got ice cream coming to cool it
by
down.
the 17th, which is Tuesday.
We like,
On it all. All right. Good
That
luck.
shit good as hell.
we came in here with the with Kanaya and Steven.
And Duty.
No, that first time Duty wasn't here.
Oh, no.
We can get dribbles, but none of it's coming this way.
We was in that bitch. Nah, we left.
I'm gonna go to the hospital for my heart.
First time we came, we didn't stay.
You're gonna be,
Because we could only get ice cream. That's when we came.
No, because they ain't had a deal.
you're gonna be a big
Then when we found out the bitch said after 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, that bitch got on.
Dairy Queen got
oh, that's right, quick.
$5 and $6 deals.
This shit got on some bedroom shoes.
Those are slides.
Them bitches look like some bedroom shoes.
I think those are Adidas slides. But if you're gonna come to Dairy Queen
I'm going
in New York,
ice cream.
Thank you, I'm gonna enjoy that.
you gotta come here before 4 o'clock because they got $5 and $6 deals.
That ain't one for that.
So if you get here before 4, you can have the deal. But after 4, you gotta pay a regular price. Meaning like a burger. If you want a burger, I don't eat meat. So if you want I eat chicken, but no red meat. If you're gonna have a burger, it's like $7 and change. And for a meal, it's like $8, $9.
But you're not gonna turn around and pay that $700.
But the ice cream here is awesome.
His priorities are one, to get to him
I don't want no more.
and two,
I got a 6-piece.
pay his livelihood with.
I gave my husband 2 of them.
Hey, you know me.
I don't want no more.
Well, don't eat it.
Maybe if we find a homeless person outside,
Man, you
I'll give it to them. Hell, it's something. There's people that come in the stores and be like, oh, can I get some money so I can get something to eat? I never really give them money. I just go and buy them something to eat. And if they're real hungry, they'll eat it. And if they say they don't want the food, they want the money, then that means that they're trying to get the money to buy something else.
The way he says it might be a whole different story.
Did you tell them to bring the
I didn't tell them nothing. She said she gonna bring it.
She said let her know when you're ready for the
I
ice
already
cream.
did. She said she gonna bring it.
Oh, she coming. Oh yes, ice cream. One thing about this sauna suit I don't like is that when you're wearing it, if you wear it too long, it itches. Thank you.
No, I got the plain.
He got the plain one. Yeah, his is plain. Sorry. That one was better. Yeah, she should have gave me that one. I'm gonna have more strawberries. Yeah. Now what the hell is this? Am I an infant? They gave me a toddler spoon. What the hell? I'm a toddler. They trying to tell me to take little bites.
They always give a little bit of ice cream.
But look at this ice cream. Strawberry sundae.
And it ain't worth a damn.
And it comes with the meal. If you get here before 4.
And it ain't worth a damn.
It's worth something. My husband got the plain one with just the ice cream. Boring.
I don't eat all that shit. I get this every time.
This is good.
Even at McDonald's.
My infant spoon.
What?
An infant spoon. That's what you use for the, to feed your little 5-month-old baby. Look at that strawberry.
I'm going all over that shit.
It's called a review.
It's called.
These are ice cream. Ike Turner.
That's what you would have said. They called Kiss My Ass.
Let me bring this on round. I'm gonna bring the strawberries on round. Look like they just neglected the top. Top all plain. And all of the stuff is on the bottom.
I need some fuck down. I'm gonna get me a 12-pack of soda.
What?
Nigga walking like this with that bitch. He ain't got it in the bag. He gone that way. He ain't got it in the bag. He told that bitch like a baby.
That's what they was doing when Hurricane Sandy hit. I'm gonna do a review on that too. Like tell you guys my story. I'm gonna go to my the house that I was living in when Hurricane Sandy hit. So I'm gonna do a review on that. I just don't know when. Everybody got a story, so I'm gonna tell mine too.
Oh Jesus!
But you made me forget what I was gonna say. You fool. Look. In the window. Nigga just peeking. He just peeking in the window. That's the that girl that worked in Western Beach. Look, coming in. It ain't her boyfriend. This is delicious. Who looking?
We ain't going to Western Beach.
Oh, let me know. I'll bring my 9 with me.
Hey, nigga, please. They motherfuckers don't know where them goddamn Slides.
Cause it's hot and everybody going to get their toes done, which is what I need to go and do. I need my feet done, my nails done.
The big don't have one. How they big got no socks?
I don't need to go and get my hair done, do my own hair.
Listen, he got no socks, so how the hell? Big got no socks with slides.
That's how they do it.
Well, then,
They put their socks on. Most of the time it's different color socks
yeah, but
on
so
both feet. And then they put their slides on.
why get your feet big if you gonna wear the socks?
Cause maybe their feet, the ones that didn't get their feet done, and they put the socks on, maybe their toes a little crusty.
Man, no, you gotta be excusing.
This ice cream is good. That's really good. But I don't eat one whole side. That's because I'm digging for the filling and stuff. This spoon, it just makes you mad as hell because it's so little. Be hungry as hell trying to use this ice cream spoon. I should go up there and just slap the hell out of them and give me this little spoon.
Pull off on you. Can you slap one of them in there for pull off?
You should know better. I'm like, did y'all just give me this child spoon?
When they pull up and say, there you go, right go.
No, they rarely. You going to give me away?
No, don't fucking tell her you ain't here. They're gonna show you your ass on camera and everything.
And I showed them on camera, give me a little ass spoon.
They ain't gonna do that. They ain't gonna do nothing like when I say about that little ass spoon.
One thing about me, once the strawberries is gone and the fillings is gone, I'm done. I don't want no more. So once I finish eating this little bit of stuff, the rest of it is going in the trash.
Shame. Ooh, that shit hit your tooth and goddamn.
I don't let it hit mine. As soon as it go in, I start.
Yeah, I know. As soon as you go in, you start sucking.
Really? I'm live. I'm full.
Remember,
And hell, I'm married. I'm supposed to do that. I mean, since he want to talk. Make a video talking about that, what married folks are supposed to be doing.
yeah.
You know, eating this ice cream, I'm cold as hell. I ain't even touching the cup with this hand, and my fingertips is froze.
You talking Spanish?
Let me just move this over. Get in the way. Oh, hell.
It's been on the table.
I don't give a damn. I don't live here. Oh, my house clean. That's all that matters.
Yeah, all right.
I'm take this and I'm gonna put it in that tray, and I'm gonna be on my way. Well, strawberry filling going. Take one more spoonful and that's it. What? Oh shoot.
I'm gonna fuck it up. You ain't
Well,
got, like you said, you ain't got to clean it.
this ice cream was good, but it's no more filling, so I'm done. So that includes my life. Came on to give a review for Dairy Queen. Hopefully one of them will see it, and I'll get paid for it. My face, I need to do a tutorial of how I clean my face. I got pimples but my eyebrows are cleansed. Ooh, look at this part though. This part is everything. Yes. Stop hating on my part. I made this wig, guys. And since it's not actually glued down anymore, I can show you. I can move the part if I want. Make sure everybody look at it. So it could be a side part, a middle part, once I figure it out.
Yep, she's from Red Hook.
Yep, I'm from Red Hook, so I'm from the projects. So now it's the middle part. A crooked middle part, but it's a middle part. Move it down. I like wearing wigs now because I don't really have to do much to my hair, but keep it into protective styles. So I think I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial and how I clean my face, moisturize, whatever you call it. So my face is dry. But this concludes my video for today. Ooh.
Yeah, I am.
I look cute. This is one of the, this is the second wig I made. I actually used that 30-second bonding glue with this one. So, I like this wig. I was going to comb the curls out just to see what happens, but then I probably won't be able to get the curls back the same way. But show off my Keisha Kayor belt. My bodysuit.